Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brittany, and if you are an OG subscriber, thank you guys so much for tuning back in. So today's video is highly requested, and I have to admit I wasn't going to do this video, but you guys have been asking so much about it, and it is on this little short wavy bob that I've been rocking. So if you are interested in learning about this hair and all the details, then stick around. Alright guys, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. So this hair is from a company by the name of Wiggins, and I have worked with Wiggins before. I will definitely put a card or a note or something so that you can check out that previous video. But this hair is from them as well. This is their loose deep wave lace front unit, and I got this in 14 inches. And yes, I did plan on doing a bob with the unit, but when I got it, it wasn't as wavy as I thought it would be. Okay, so I went ahead and cut it, but I cut it before I washed it. Mistake number one. So I was cutting it, you know, just I wanted a blunt bob or whatever, so I was cutting it, and then you know, it was a nice length. Then I washed the hair. Once I put this back on, it was up to my chin, y'all. So I'm over here looking like Sideshow Bob, and I was like, what happened to this hair? So it's a good and a bad thing. Initially it's not as curly, but once you wash it, and I always, any wavy texture, I let it air dry hanging upside down, which creates a little bit more fluff and a little bit more curl and wave. So that's what I did, and the hair drew up to about chin length, and it was a little uneven, so I really had to just go around and cut it, and of course the more you cut, the shorter it gets. So here we go. Now I was a bit devastated because I was going out of town. You know, I was going to New York, and you know, when you go out of town, you just want to feel your best. But honey, let me just tell you something. In my 30s, I can't be concerned, okay, with what did not work out. So it was just like, look, the hair is done. I'm just gonna make it work. Like, I wasn't gonna be frantic about it and trying to find something else to do with my hair, whatever. So I was like, okay, make it fashion. So I go to New York, and I feel like it really did bring out my creative juices when it came to styling my clothes and everything, because this is such a different look for me, but it made me like a little bit more edgy and just a little bit more fashion forward, I think. Because I really had to think about the outfits that I wore in order to make this hair look good on me, in my opinion. Now that I've been wearing it for over a week, I have to say I do love it. It's a nice throw on and go, and I don't have to do anything to this hair. That's the thing I love the most, and I learned that when I was in New York. When I was there, you guys, I would get up, wet it a little bit, and put a little bit of mousse on it, and I used the Garnier Fructis Curl Construct Creation Mousse, this one here. And honestly, I mean, it gives it a little bit of crunch, which I don't mind, because I kind of like that juicy wet look when it came to this hair. Yeah, but you can also, it's not hard to where you can't, you know, take it out, but if you do kind of run your fingers through it, you're going to get a more fluffier vibe. So I would do this let's say day 1. By day 3, I would do it again. The days in between, I would have a little bit more fluff up in here, and I'm cool with that. But then when it started to get a little bit too big, I would go through, kind of spritz it down a little bit, and put this on again, just a handful of it, and I was good to go, you guys. It was so low maintenance, and of course, with you guys, you know, giving me so many compliments, I grew to love this. So yeah, let me just show you how it came. So it did just come in a in a satin dust bag, okay? And inside, you will get the wig caps. Now these are way too light. I don't use these when they're this shade. 9 times out of 10, I don't use the wig caps unless I am doing like a bald cap method. But for this unit, I got a size small, okay? And the cap, it's way too little. Like, look at that. It's not even like I couldn't even pull it down or like glue it down if I wanted to. But the good thing about that is I don't have to glue it down. I mean, I could glue it down, you know, if I wanted to, but it wouldn't have sideburns. So because of that, I can just throw this on and go. It does have the 3 combs, 2 here and 1 in the back. So it makes it very secure. It is snug, it's perfect. And it also has the adjustable straps. But if I wanted to adhere it down and, you know, like do all the sideburns and stuff like that, I could not, but I can definitely adhere it down here and do baby hair. So definitely size up. I'm usually a small cap in all of my wigs, but this one is smaller than what I'm used to. So I would say that it runs a little bit small. So just, you know, be aware of that. Other than that, I mean, again, it makes it for easy peasy hairstyle. I can get up, throw this on and go, literally. I don't have to worry about tacking it down or anything. You can create a little bit of baby hair if you want to, but it's not necessary. So that's the hair, y'all. I know y'all have been loving this hair on me, and honestly, I'm liking it too, but I'm kind of getting tired of it. But I feel like as soon as I take it off, I'm gonna miss it. So another thing about this, like, I'm tired of wearing red lips. I feel like I have to like serve a look every day, you know what I'm saying? I can't wear hoops. Y'all know I don't wear any other earrings except for my diamond earrings that I never take off, and hoops. I can't wear hoops because they hang lower than the bob and it just looks funny to me. So yeah, I'm like earringless, you know, and I just have to, everything has to be done from the neck down, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta serve you a nice red lip or something bold, and then my outfit has to be fierce. But other than that, I mean, it's really helped me come out of my shell, and I'm loving it. So I thank you guys so much for all of the positive comments you have given me. You guys have loved this hair. So let me know what kind of hair you want me to try next. Think of something that I haven't necessarily worn, or just something that you think would look really cute on me, and I'll be happy to maybe do a video for you guys. So I hope this covers everything. If I left anything out, I will make sure to leave all the details in the description box below for you guys. And I'll also put a coupon code down there for you too, so that you can get a little bit of money off, okay? No issues with this hair as far as shedding or tangling. I mean, it's super short, so you shouldn't really get any anyway, but I mean, I can literally pull my fingers through this, no issues. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will talk to you on my next one. Bye.